on, gang? We're back with another video, and today we have a 2020 GMC Canyon Denali. I think I'm saying that right, Canyon. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go with it. That's what we're gonna call it. Anyways, we got the 2020 Denali version. So you know, anything with the Denali name is top notch, top of the line, right? And I have to beg to differ. So basically this is just GMC's version of the Colorado that we reviewed before. And honestly, there's no difference at all. There's basically, you know how GM does it, just rebadges it as something else. It just doesn't have a Z71 package, but it's basically the same vehicle, same engine, putting out the 308 horsepower, 275 foot-pounds of torque. It's basically the same vehicle. So, and they're actually charging what, $3,000 more, $3,000 more, just for you to get the Denali name and a GMC badge and more chrome, as you can see. But let's hop into the sticker and you guys can see for yourself. It doesn't have anything really different from the Colorado that we reviewed, and there's a spider web on the camera from a spider, and I don't know where it's at, and now it's on my hand, so bear with me. So standard vehicle price is $40,500. After they added on their special stuff, came to $42,165. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well too, just as the same thing as the Colorado had, but these do have bigger wheels as well, 20-inch wheels, and the Colorado has 17-inch wheels, but they were like I said, it had the Z71 package, so it had the off-road wheels as well too. Heated and ventilated seats as well on this one. This one does have a full leather interior, so I mean it does have small changes. You also got an 8-inch touchscreen in there as well too. Let's go ahead and get in there and start it up, or in fact it might have remote start. Let's see. And it does. And I'm disappointed at this one as well too, because you see this, like, come on now, GM, who's in charge of y'all design department, for real? Like, I just want to know who's in charge. Who's letting them say, all right, yeah, we're gonna go with this. Got the GMC on the exhaust tip. Back to y'all, GMC. Y'all thought y'all was getting off the line, huh? No. Who's in y'all design department that's saying, yeah, we can give them a $42,000 truck, $42,000, and a key, not a touch, not a push button start, but a key, an actual key. I mean, some people like it, but after you driven a car with a push button start, you don't want to go back to a regular key, because it's so much easier. You don't have to take your key out for nothing. You can leave your key in your pocket all day long. Never, you can, you don't even, when you get out the car to go into stores and stuff, you could just leave your key in your pocket, like, and just push the button on the door and lock all the doors. You don't even have the touch button on the doors right here. Look at this. Nothing. $42,000. And you go look at the competitors and stuff, and I bet you they have an actual key. I mean, an actual push button start, and with buttons on the door as well. Look at this. Nice bed liner, I will say that. You got the sliding window in the back here. Let's go ahead and get in here real quick. We're not gonna spend too much time on this just because it's exactly the same. Exactly the same. Look at this. Now here you have the plastic as well too. You got some type of leather stitching. They gave you the false wood as well. I don't know what's going on. Hold on, let me turn this air or whatever that thing is down that he decided to turn on. Alright, so also they had to, alright, keep getting interrupted. Also they had to put this on a thing just to show you how to turn the car off and how to start it, basically. You got the stitched dashboard right here, plastic stitched up there. soft material. I mean, they changed very little things. You got the bowl system, but for the most part it's the exact same layout as the Colorado. Exact same gauges, exact everything. It's exact down to everything, except for in the Colorado you just had heated seats, and here you got heated and cooled seats as well. There's really no difference at all. You got the mirror right here. Still got the regular halogen bulbs or whatever you want to call them in there, not LEDs. You got the OnStar. What else? No LEDs up there. You got the wireless charging pad down here that was in the Colorado as well. You got your little center console right here. You got your glove box over here. I mean, it's identical. Also, you got the running boards down here. So you can see the running boards. Let's go ahead and step about that thing real quick. I mean, you really don't need running boards on this truck, because I mean it's low enough to the ground. 2 USBs and a 12-volt charger. Let's see. No storage pocket on the back of the seat. On that one you do get one though. And I thought this was like sliding where you could do it automatically, but nope, you got to do it by hand. So just hope you don't forget to close that up once you get out the car. Leather seats, they are soft. I will give them that. These leather seats feel phenomenal. They are very soft. Let's go ahead and get it out of here. Same exhaust note from the Colorado as well. Like I said, it's the same engine. So it's basically the Colorado, but just in a GMC body with GMC name. And I don't even think you get LEDs on this one. Let me turn on the headlights and stuff. That's what I'm saying. Like, you don't even get any indicators in the mirror right here. None of that. Let's go ahead and turn the headlights on. Fog lights, all of that. There we go. And like I said, you don't get any LEDs or anything like that. You just get regular halogen projectile bulbs. Even in the fog lights down there. And I do like the grill. I like that grill. I love that. But to me, it's a little bit, for my liking, it's just a little bit too much chrome going on. Even on the mirrors. It's like the Denali version of anything. They just chrome it out and say, oh, top of the line. It's not top of the line just because it has chrome. To me, you can just keep that the same color as the body. I love this color, by the way, too. I gotta figure out what's the name of that, because I like that color. That color really pops, especially with the sunlight. Very beautiful color. Let's see. And of course it wouldn't say the color, but nonetheless it's like a tealish bluish color, but it's very nice. Also, this is where all your parts and everything came from. So when people always say, oh, American vehicle, all of this, all of that, 64%, 17% is like, it's just everywhere. But hey, they gotta cut costs somewhere. But let's get in it and test drive it real quick. Show y'all how it drives. Let's see here. Put that thing in drive just like that. Nice little shifter, cup holders there. Got your little manual shiftability thing there. Also right there on the dash, it tells you how fast you're going, like if you're in the speed limit or posted speed limit. But let's go ahead and drive this thing, see how it drives. Just like the Colorado, it's quiet. I think this drives a lot better. The Colorado drove pretty good, but this right here, I guess because it doesn't have the big off-roading wheels, so it's smoother on the takeoff and everything. But like I said, it doesn't have those off-roading wheels, so it's not, you know, it doesn't feel like it's a lot smoother of a ride. It's a lot smoother. Let's go down this row. See, there's the Colorado that we did, so pretty sure if you've seen the video, you see the off-roading wheels that one has. That's why I went down this road. You see those wheels? I mean, it rolled smooth, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't as smooth as this. This right here is almost effortless driving it. That you felt kind of much all the bumps that was going on on the ground here. But I mean, it's a very quiet truck. I was gonna call it an SUV. But I mean, it's very, very quiet. Feels good. I mean, I just don't, honestly, I just don't like Chevy's interiors. I mean, to me, Chevy interior is just too basic. I mean, but some of y'all like that. I mean, I'm just not, I don't like to be basic in anything I do. I like to be extraordinaire. And this right here just doesn't speak languages to me. But yeah, it's not much to talk about in this vehicle. Is essentially, like I'm saying, it's the same exact thing as the Colorado, as you can expect. It's a GMC and it's a Chevy, same thing, you know, just a different name. But hope y'all like this video. Hope this helped you out if you was trying to choose between the two or whatnot. Maybe this gives you a better overall view. And just like that, we gone.